Welcome to Smart Agri Hub's Biodiversity Course. In this first chapter, we'll dive into the fascinating world of biodiversity and explore why it's one of the cornerstones of our planet's health and resilience. Whether you're a student, a farmer, an environmental enthusiast, or simply curious about the natural world, this introduction will lay a strong foundation for understanding the concept of biodiversity, its importance, and the role it plays in agriculture and beyond. Let's begin with a simple yet profound question. What is biodiversity? The term itself is short for biological diversity, and it refers to the incredible variety of life found on Earth. This includes every living organism, from the tiniest bacteria to towering trees, from insects buzzing in the fields to whales swimming in the oceans. It's about the diversity within species, between species, and among ecosystems. Biodiversity is not just about the sheer number of different plants and animals, it's about the richness and complexity of relationships that sustain life. To truly appreciate biodiversity, imagine a rainforest. Within just 1 hectare, you might find hundreds of species of trees, thousands of insects, and countless microorganisms. Each plays a unique role. Some trees provide shade, insects pollinate flowers, and fungi break down dead matter, recycling nutrients. The interactions among these organisms create a dynamic web of life, where each strand supports the others. But why does biodiversity matter? First, it is essential for ecosystem stability. Diverse ecosystems are better at withstanding disturbances, such as droughts, pests, and diseases. Think of biodiversity as nature's insurance policy. The more variety there is, the greater the chance that some species will thrive even when others struggle. This resilience is particularly important in agriculture, where crop diversity can help safeguard against crop failures. Second, biodiversity provides us with countless resources. From food and medicine to clean water and fertile soil, our daily lives depend on the products and services of healthy ecosystems. Many of the crops we rely on, like wheat, rice, and maize, originated from wild species. Medicines like aspirin and antibiotics were first discovered in plants and fungi. Even the air we breathe is filtered and purified by forests and wetlands. In short, biodiversity is the foundation of our well-being. Third, biodiversity supports livelihoods and economies. Millions of people, especially in rural communities, depend on forests, fisheries, and wild plants for income and nutrition. Ecotourism, which attracts visitors to biodiverse regions, generates revenue and promotes conservation. When biodiversity is protected, communities can thrive. However, biodiversity is under threat. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution, urbanization, and climate change are causing rapid declines in species and habitats. Scientists estimate that species are disappearing at a rate up to 1,000 times faster than the natural background rate. This loss not only diminishes the beauty and wonder of our planet, but also undermines the services that nature provides. Agriculture is both a contributor to biodiversity loss and a potential solution. Monoculture farming, growing a single crop over large areas, reduces habitat variety and makes ecosystems more vulnerable. The use of chemicals can harm beneficial insects and soil organisms. Yet when managed sustainably, agriculture can enhance biodiversity. Techniques like crop rotation, agroforestry, and integrated pest management foster a mosaic of habitats and encourage beneficial species. At Smart Agri Hub, we believe that innovation and knowledge can transform agriculture from a threat to a guardian of biodiversity. By adopting smart practices, embracing new technologies, and valuing traditional wisdom, farmers and land managers can support wildlife, improve soil health, and boost productivity. As we progress through this course, we will explore the different levels of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity refers to the variation within a single species. Think of the different breeds of cattle or varieties of tomatoes. Species diversity is about the number of different species in a given area, while ecosystem diversity covers the range of habitats, such as forests, wetlands, and grasslands. Understanding these levels is crucial because each contributes to the overall health of our planet. Genetic diversity helps species adapt to changing conditions. Species diversity creates balance. Predators keep prey in check, pollinators ensure plant reproduction, and decomposers recycle nutrients. Ecosystem diversity supports unique communities, each with its own role in the landscape. Let's also consider the cultural value of biodiversity. For centuries, humans have drawn inspiration from nature. Artists paint wildflowers, poets write about birdsong, and communities celebrate local wildlife in festivals. Biodiversity shapes our identities and enriches our heritage. Protecting it is not just an environmental issue, but a social and ethical responsibility. You may be wondering, how can you contribute to biodiversity conservation? The answer lies in everyday choices and collective action. Supporting local and sustainable agriculture, planting native species, reducing waste, and advocating for protected areas are all powerful steps. Educating yourself and others multiplies the impact. In agriculture, even small changes make a difference. Planting hedgerows and wildflower strips attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. Diversifying crops improves soil structure and resilience. Practicing conservation tillage protects soil organisms and reduces erosion. By observing and working with nature rather than against it, farmers can achieve higher yields while safeguarding the environment. As we move forward in this course, we will delve deeper into practical strategies, case studies, and the science behind biodiversity. You'll learn about the challenges and opportunities in conservation, how technology can help monitor and restore habitats, and how communities around the world are making positive change. In summary, biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth. It is essential for healthy ecosystems, human well-being, and sustainable agriculture. While it faces many threats, there is hope. Through knowledge, innovation, and cooperation, we can protect and restore the rich tapestry of life that sustains us all. Thank you for joining Smart Agri Hub in this journey. By understanding the importance of biodiversity, you are taking the first step toward making a difference. Stay curious, stay engaged, and get ready to explore the wonders of biodiversity in agriculture and beyond. Together, we can build a future where nature and people thrive side by side.